Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to clear Binance app cache. In order to clear Binance app cache, first you'll need to open your Binance app. This is the home page of Binance app. From the home page, you'll have to click on the top left corner of your screen. Your profile information will pop up on your screen. From here, you can see settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. A lot of setting options will pop up on your screen. You'll have to scroll a bit down and you'll find the option that says clear cache. You'll have to tap on it. You'll be asked to confirm if you want to clear the cache. You'll have to tap on yes option. And just like that, you have cleared Binance app cache. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.